Hello everyone, welcome to Beastegs TV. Here are 5 easy ways to cook fish. Let's dive in. Number 1, poaching. Poaching fish means gently cooking it in hot water, broth, or wine until it's tender and done. 2, pan frying. It means cooking it in a hot pan with oil or butter until it's crispy and cooked through. 3, grilling. Grilling fish means cooking it over a hot grill, which gives it a smoky flavor and a crispy crust. 4, currying. It simply means cooking fish with curry spices and sauce for a flavorful, spicy dish. 5, roasting. It means baking it in the oven until it's crispy and tender. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for your support and for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Beastegs TV for more delicious recipes. Have a great day. Cheers.